Did you know that when you create doors, there's a difference between structural opening and leaf size? Hi, I'm Jonathan Picker. I've been teaching Vectorworks for 30 years, but I've been an architect a lot longer. And normally when I design an opening, I'm looking at the rough opening so that I can tell the contractor what size the opening needs to be. Now in Vectorworks, when we create a door style, we have a choice over how we present that door. So when we create our door style, should we use the rough opening size or the structural opening size, or should we use the leaf size? Well, what's the difference? Let's have a look. Let's edit the style. And this particular door style is set to the leaf size, which is great because I can say I want an 810 opening door. I can put in the leaf size. I can put in the height for the leaf size, 2050. And that's great because I'm defining the door by its size of the leaf. Great. Well, that's fantastic. But what does that do to the hole? Now, here I really need to give the contractor the size of the overall opening. This door is set by its leaf size, and you'll notice that the blue handle here is actually the inside of the frame. So when I stretch this door, let's just make that an unstyled door so I can stretch it. So when I stretch this door, I'm not stretching it by the overall rough opening, I'm stretching it by the leaf size. So that's an important distinction. Let's look at this door, because this door is set to be rough opening as the defining door. Let's have a look. Edit my unstyled. It's now unstyled. Let's just look at the settings. And here you can see I've set this to rough opening or structural opening. So that's the difference, and you can see that when I go to change the size of it, I'm actually changing it by the frame size, and the leaf will then change accordingly. Now, does this make a difference? Well, it can do, because if I use this door and I've got this set to structural opening, let's change that to leaf size and you'll see the handle moves. And then I go, let's set the position. So I'm going to set the position of this door from there to there. And how much does this need to be? Let's make it 100 millimeters. So let me just check that, hit the G key. So that's 100 millimeters. So it doesn't matter when I'm moving the door, but it certainly matters when I'm stretching the door. So, the reason I'm covering this today is that it actually came up in my masterclass. We were looking at door styles in the masterclass. If you want to see the full movie, click on the link in the description and you can see the whole session where we looked at door styles and how we should choose which things are flexible and which things are fixed. Hey, thanks for watching. Catch you later.